Ever wondered which banks accept Coinbase? Hey crypto fam! Let's talk about the bridge between your bank account and the exciting world of cryptocurrency. We all know the feeling. You're ready to dive into that hot new token, but your bank seems to be throwing up roadblocks. Fear not, because today we're cracking the code, which banks actually play nice with Coinbase. Now, before we get into the nitty-gritty, it's important to understand why some banks might be hesitant. Crypto is a relatively new asset class, and regulations are still catching up. Some banks might be concerned about fraud or volatility, which can lead to blocked transactions or even account closures. That's why it's crucial to choose a bank that's crypto-friendly. So, which institutions are leading the charge? Well, the landscape is constantly evolving, but some frontrunners are emerging. For our US viewers, a couple of interesting options come to mind. Ally Bank stands out. They've partnered with Coinbase, allowing users to directly access the exchange for buying and selling crypto. This means seamless integration and potentially faster transactions. Another strong contender is Monzo. While they don't offer built-in crypto trading, they allow smooth connections between your Monzo account and Coinbase. This makes it easy to transfer funds back and forth for your crypto adventures. Now, let's shift gears and talk about our international viewers across the pond. In the UK, the scene is a little different. Several high street banks like Barclays, NatWest, and even Santander seem to be relatively open to Coinbase transactions. However, a word of caution, be prepared for potential hiccups. There have been reports of users experiencing blocked transactions despite having crypto-friendly banks. This highlights the importance of checking with your specific bank's policy before diving in. Their website or customer service hotline should be able to clarify their stance on cryptocurrency transactions. Remember, crypto is still a young animal, and the regulatory environment is constantly adapting. What's considered crypto-friendly today might change tomorrow. So, staying informed and keeping an eye out for updates is key. Here are some additional points to consider. Security. Always prioritize platforms with robust security measures, especially when linking your bank account to a crypto exchange. Fees. Transaction fees can vary depending on the bank and the exchange. Do your research and compare options before making a decision. Limits. Be aware of any limitations your bank might have on transfers to and from crypto exchanges. These could be daily, weekly, or monthly limits. By keeping these factors in mind, you can navigate the world of crypto banking with confidence. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.